Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some keys are not working in laptop keyboard. So how can fix this type of errors? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your update and security. Click on troubleshoot. Click on additional troubleshooters, scroll down, select a keyboard and run the troubleshooter. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, click on ease of access. After doing this step, click on keyboard, scroll down and turn on use filter keys. So turn on it and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that going to your settings of your Windows, click on ease of access, go to your keyboard. After doing this step, turn on screen keyboard, close it, and in the search box type a device manager. Click on device manager. After that, select the keyboard and expand it. Select the keyboard, right click, click on update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick a available driver on my computers. Select a model, click on next button to continue. Click on close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search, go to your settings of your Windows, click on ease of access, click on keyboard and turn on screen keyboard, close it, and in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. After doing this step, select the keyboard, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can use us next method. The next method is that in the search box, start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your ease of access, click on screen keyboard, click on screen keyboard, open a on screen keyboard. After that, in the search box, type a task schedule. Open it. After doing this step, select a task schedule library and expand it. After doing this step, select a Microsoft and expand it. After this, select a Windows and expand it. After doing this step, find out a text services framework. Now here is a text services framework. Click on run. Press run. After doing this, close it. And after that, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.